Hello everyone. If this is your first time here, thank you so much, and if you are a regular viewer, then welcome back. I truly appreciate your time and support. Before we can start the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Now let's jump into the topic. Welcome to Manchester, the vibrant heart of northwest England. Known for its rich industrial heritage, legendary football culture, and thriving art scene, this city has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a football fanatic, or simply looking to explore a dynamic urban landscape, Manchester won't disappoint. Today we're taking you on an exciting tour of the city's must-visit attractions, from historic landmarks to modern hotspots. So, let's get started. Our journey begins at Piccadilly Gardens, one of Manchester's busiest areas and the gateway to the city centre. Surrounded by a mix of modern and historic buildings, this lively space is a popular meeting point and a great place to soak in the city's atmosphere. A short walk from here leads us to Market Street, a bustling shopping hub lined with popular high street brands and local stores. If you're looking for a more artistic and alternative vibe, head over to the Northern Quarter, Manchester's creative district. This area is a haven for street art, independent cafes, record stores, and vintage shops. Walk through its graffiti-covered streets and discover hidden gems like Affleck's, an indoor market filled with quirky boutiques and collectibles. From the edgy Northern Quarter, we move towards Albert Square, home to the stunning Manchester Town Hall. This Gothic-style masterpiece, built in 1877, stands as one of the most iconic buildings in the city. Though currently undergoing renovation, its breathtaking facade is still a must-see. During the winter, this square transforms into a magical Christmas market, drawing visitors from all over the world. Just a few minutes away, we step into another historical gem, the John Rylands Library. With its grand Victorian Gothic architecture, this library feels like something straight out of Harry Potter. Inside, you'll find thousands of rare books and manuscripts, making it a dream destination for book lovers and history enthusiasts alike. For a taste of modern Manchester, we head to Spinningfields, the city's financial district. Here, towering glass buildings house luxury brands, stylish restaurants, and trendy bars. If you're in the mood for a fancy dinner or a drink with a view, Spinningfields has plenty of options, including the famous rooftop bar 20 stories, offering stunning panoramic views of the city skyline. Just a short distance away lies Manchester Cathedral, one of the city's oldest and most beautiful buildings. Dating back over 600 years, its intricate Gothic details and stained glass windows make it a fascinating place to visit. Nearby, the medieval quarter offers a glimpse into Manchester's past, with historic pubs like the Old Wellington, which has been standing since 1552. More about Manchester, the city of innovation and culture. Manchester isn't just a city, it's a movement. Known as the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution, this city has a long history of innovation and progress. It was here that the world's first passenger railway station was built in 1830, revolutionizing transportation. The city also played a crucial role in scientific advancements, with Ernest Rutherford splitting the atom at the University of Manchester in 1917, paving the way for modern nuclear physics. Today, Manchester continues to be a hub for research and technology, with its universities driving innovation in various fields. Beyond industry and science, Manchester has always been a city of cultural influence. It has a strong literary heritage, with authors like Elizabeth Gaskell, who wrote about the struggles of the working class in the 19th century. The Manchester International Festival brings world-class performances to the city every 2 years, showcasing the best in music, theater, and art. Speaking of music, Manchester is legendary for shaping the British music scene. Bands like Oasis, The Smiths, Joy Division, and the Stone Roses all started here, giving the city its reputation as one of the greatest music capitals in the world. You can visit Manchester's music venues, such as the iconic Band on the Wall and the O2 Ritz, where many famous artists have performed. Manchester is also one of the most diverse cities in the UK, with a thriving Chinatown and Curry Mile, offering some of the best Asian cuisine in the country. The city is home to a mix of cultures reflected in its food, festivals, and community events. Whether you're here for its history, its music, or just the friendly Mancunian spirit, Manchester is a city that leaves a lasting impression. No visit to Manchester is complete without exploring its deep industrial roots. The Science and Industry Museum takes us back to the days of the Industrial Revolution, showcasing early steam engines, textile machinery, and even the world's first railway station. This museum is a fantastic place to learn how Manchester became one of the driving forces behind modern industry and innovation. Of course, another thing Manchester is famous for is football, and fans won't want to miss the legendary stadiums of the city's two major clubs, Manchester United's Old Trafford and Manchester City's Etihad Stadium. Both offer guided tours, giving visitors a behind-the-scenes look at the dressing rooms, tunnels, and even the pitch where some of the greatest footballers have played. Whether you're a red or a blue, football is a way of life in Manchester. Our tour then takes us to the Quays, a stunning waterfront district that blends culture, media, and entertainment. Here, you'll find Media City UK, home to the BBC and ITV, where some of the UK's most popular television shows are produced. Art lovers should also stop by the Lowry, a contemporary gallery showcasing the works of famous local artist L.S. Lowry. The Quays is a great place to relax by the water and enjoy a peaceful break from the city's hustle and bustle. After a full day of exploring, it's time to indulge in Manchester's thriving food scene. Whether you're craving classic British fish and chips, international cuisine, or something trendy, the city has it all. Mackie Mayer, a beautifully restored food hall, is perfect for sampling different flavors under one roof. Manchester also boasts a vibrant nightlife, with buzzing bars in Deansgate Locks, craft beer spots in the Northern Quarter, and live music venues showcasing local and international talent. As the sun sets over the Manchester skyline, we conclude our city tour. From its rich history and industrial legacy to its modern developments and cultural hotspots, Manchester is a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new. Whether you're here for the football, the shopping, or just to soak in the lively atmosphere, there's always something exciting happening. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing city adventures. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Follow for more.